Has anybody ever made you feel like that you're smaller than anybody else?
I had figured that the world is not a very kind place. And in my head, I'm thinking, ये कौन सा caste system आ गया music में? I have not sat around music directors, studios, saying कुछ, भिक्षाम देही.
You believe in energy a lot.
A lot.
You're also naturally blessed.
I'm not the best anything, but पागल तो हूँ.
Where we speak heart to heart and conversations flow, this is the Mehak Ankur Show. And today on the show, we're going to have someone very special. Someone I've been a fan of for many years. I used to go to my studios listening to her songs. That used to pump me up. And today is a true fan moment for me because I have with me on the show someone who sings beautifully, produces beautiful music, travels the world with her productions. And she is iconic because she does not mince her words. A firebrand, a rock star, Sona Mahapatra. Welcome to the show, Sona.
Pleasure to be here, Mehak, and to be on a show that's named after you. So congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, it's kind of reclaiming my life back. A lot of times I think in life we go through phases where we're lost. We're trying to figure ourselves out. And that is how the idea of the show also came. And I was like, let me go back to my roots. And when I thought about who I was, what I did, what music I listened to, Bolona came up. And I'm like, I have to get in touch with Sona Mahapatra for that. So thank you for agreeing to come on the show.
It's my pleasure. It's a full circle. Actually, people find their birthdays to be some epic points to feel maybe important. I feel very important every day, which is a weird thing to say. But I have this background music that's been playing behind me ever since, I think, as far as I can remember. Oh, epic, And for us, I find it shocking, let me tell you, that people in my team right now, a young sound engineer, when I told him, you've not watched Amitabh Bachchan movies. He said, Amitabh Bachchan? Because his idea of Amitabh Bachchan, I said, he's the ultimate OG, right? So then you realize, oh my God, time is going so fast that even the icons of a certain generation, which you just assume they permeate across, like a Michael Jackson reached even my mother's little village. And that's the power of pop culture.
Yeah.
That I don't think there was anybody as famous as Michael Jackson. And yet there'll be a time, well, I like to think music lives on for longer than anything else, which is why I'm so proud to be part of a tribe. And at the same time, I don't think I should assume that कि हम लोग musicians हैं तो ageless हैं, timeless हैं. We are seeing time go by. And I just celebrated my birthday and I was like, I normally like to go and hide on that birthday where people think that this is the day I must count the number of wishes coming my way. I was like, somehow ये दिन कैसे खत्म हो जाए, किसी को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. और बाहर से ऐसे लगता है, people might think that you go on big stages and you are such a extrovert because you think you can stand in front of 2 lakh people and feel so comfortable, which I do. I feel the stage is my drawing room. But when it comes to matters like birthdays or even a party, I'm the biggest antisocial. I would rather go and sit and read a book somewhere or hide in the toilet. And I've done that. I'm infamous for that.
I have no doubt. And I'm not surprised because knowing you, I think that would have been such a cool thing for you to do. But have you always been this diva? Like Bachpan say, you're like, I am the Amitabh Bachchan of music.
Epic. Yes, I think so.
Yeah, and I like that.
I've been told so. And it's not about, I don't know if it's so much about being a diva, because I was for the longest time never conscious of looks. I had a moustache. Till now I have never shaped my eyebrows. I don't have a sense of vanity which you would usually expect when you say diva. I like looking good. I love dressing up, all of that, but in my own terms. फेस चल रहा है एंटी फिट, मुझे सब लोग फिटेड कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, चिकमिक पहन रहे हैं ताकि वो ग्लैमरस लगे. एट माई थिनेस्ट व्हेन आई कुड हैव अफोर्डेड टू वेयर XYZ clothes which are in trend, I went through a grunge anti fit. I don't need to be celebrated for my
following
curves,
the trends,
following or being in fashion. My whole thing was I still feel comfort above everything else, and personality should shine through, and it's not about the brand you're wearing, So I'm a peculiar weird person, and I have been for a long time, and I've always been pretty comfortable in my skin.
Yeah.
Which actually can be unsettling for a lot of people.
Because
you
they're
know?
not that, because they see themselves as social beings, unko lagta hai whatever is going on in the society, they have to fit in. But I think that entire aura and feeling that you enjoy of being yourself, and you don't feel the pressure to fit, which is great. And a lot of people should understand that, and I'm so glad through this show today I would try and ask you more stories about how did that bring out, or was it like from the beginning you were like this? Any moments in your life where you were like, you know, I tried, but no, I'm sorry, this is not me? And what was that trigger point in life, if you remember? You know, those kind of things is what I want to talk about, because I want people to know that it's not important or the only thing to fit in.
If you don't mind, I will sit like a man, which is said ki men are, they sit, they occupy so much space. It's like literally you go to these public, if you travel by public transport. Let me not pretend I do that anymore in India. But I think it's a universal thing around the world, and I don't blame them, because I think I realized they're just used to being comfortable in their space. So जब ऐसे कोई बैठता है ना कि जहाँ पे आप ऐसे बैठो
Position
तो
of
कम जगह
authority.
लो. I'm like, yeah, I've had this from my childhood, you know, just to say that this whole, that courage of conviction of saying that I belong anywhere I choose to be. I cannot be told that ये आपकी जगह नहीं है, this is not a place for you, or this profession is not what you dream. Basic things, you know.
But
Or
how
the
they
fact
make
that
women feel that, you know, you should be invisible wherever you are. Like in normal households, that is how they'll be. So this, you know, the way that you sat right now, and women would come and be very timid and, you know, sit whatever is available in that space.
मुझे तो these are embarrassing things, but I have never had any qualms sharing this. I'm like, इसमें क्या शर्म है? Like my mother had the toughest time with me. We are 3 sisters, and for the longest time, when at a time when most teenagers are trying to look their slimmest, and you know, abhi to when you hear of kids dieting and all at a age, or getting fillers and Botox and what at bizarre young ages, at a time when everybody was trying to look slimmer, thinner, more beautiful, plucked eyebrows, my mother put me in bloomers. You know, because ये कैसे भी बैठती है, इसको पता नहीं चलता है. And imagine a 15-16-year-old wearing those, you know what bloomers are? It's like stitch करवाते थे, यहाँ पे elastic बड़े बड़े जैसे, you know, अंदर ही धोती पहन रखा है छोटा, which is allowing your outfit in such a way, which is why, and I feel in a son, it used to feel ridiculous, but I used to feel free. कि jump करो, cartwheel करो, लड़कों के साथ कुश्ती करो. I didn't have to be girly. I didn't have to care about how beautiful. I was not conscious of my body.
Yeah.
Which is why, you know, that those lessons of resilience come from, or being a certain person comes from this part of your growing up, which is, for example, sports day. My elder sister was a far more better sports
Person.
Athlete, you know. I wasn't. I'm flat-footed, knock-kneed, but I was a nutcase who will sit and strategize कि मैं वो रिले में भी पार्ट लूंगी, ऐसे जैवलिन, हाई जंप, ऐसे चीज़ों में जाऊंगी जहाँ पे लड़कियां जाएंगी भी नहीं ज़्यादा, या दे विल बी एम्बेरस्ड बिकॉज दे विल बी कैट कॉलिंग, दे विल बी दिस थिंग कि हाई जंप करते वक्त ये होता है, वो होता है, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रेशर्स विच यू अज्यूम, बट आई विल मेक श्योर that I will get the best athlete trophy year after year, not because I am the best athlete, but because I am so driven and so...
And you wanted to go where people didn't dare to go, and that is the beauty, you know.
And I used to feel like an imposter, saying, actually, I'm not the best runner, I'm not the best anything, but pagal to hu. But somehow that pagalpan was my thing. I enjoyed being crazy,
Passionate,
and yes, driven, and जिसने actually live जी हो ना, outside of Bandra to Andheri.
in Bombay context,
Bombay context, in the entertainment industry context, in the context of even Bollywood, where we are in the heart of it. I have always created my journey as an artist out, you know, from very many domains.
You were a trendsetter. You dreamt of it so long back. You are a trendsetter because you started doing indie when nobody thought about it.
Yes, I was indie before it was trendy.
Yes, absolutely.
Thought I wanted to complete there is when he asked me, I said, do you know, even the biggest of artists around the world, you know, the biggest, from the era of Sting, Madonna, and George Michael to now, who are they? Like, give me your favorite top. If you ask a fan of their music, or what are the songs they've sung, they'll remember 5.
5 only, top
Okay.
2, 3.
5,
max.
या 2, 3. मैंने कहा अगर मेरे गाने हैं, मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया. आप बोल रहे हो, बोलो ना, आजा वे, बेखौफ आजाद, सत्यमेव जयते में जो घर याद आता है मुझे, टू अंबर सरिया, बहारा, नैना, दाव लगा. They are actually from different worlds.
Jia Lagena.
Jia Lagena.
Oh my
Jia Lagena
God.
suddenly became the biggest trend in the last 4 months. So, और वो एक ठुमरी ड्रम एंड बेस लाइक eclectic सा वो है, but people eventually find the music that moves them. And I'm like, what a lucky journey that I have done it on my own terms. I have not sat around music directors' studios saying kuch, bhiksham dehi. Like literally you have to have that thing of be very humble, be standing there in line, make sure that kahin pe kuch entry mil jaye. And nothing wrong. Hats off to the people who have the
who can do that. I think
who can do that.
Because sometimes everybody is not as strong, headed or can wait.
No, I am willing to appreciate, say for example, the biggest of, I'm willing to appreciate the craft that a hardcore playback singer has, उनकी जो मुर्कियाँ, वो एक light singing है, वो एक अलग वो है. But I realize that time is up, which is saying this birthday has been a milestone. I'm saying I'm really in that, I think I always was, but now I'm in such a happy space. When I say zero given, it's really like गुस्से में नहीं है, बहुत शांत हूँ. I'm in such a happy space where saying, are you telling me that I should feel lesser than somebody who has sung 100 film songs, has had so many opportunities to be in the mainstream. They have just sung a song and then it's been publicized, and then there's an actor who has also got its own popularity, then there's a machinery of promotion. Can you even hope to compare that to somebody who year after year has not only put out music of their own, which means the song, the production, the video, how to market it, how to put it out, like year after year, taken the whole boja on my own head.
Yeah.
And just because the system is not that, 100,000 people are going to see it in the first go, I should feel lesser. I mean, come on. I feel the biggest brands of mainstream popular names end up singing 50% to 70% of covers in their concerts to fill up their arena. And I've been to those arenas. Hats off. They have something else, like उनकी तैयारी अलग है, उनका विजन अलग है, कि वो इतना बड़ा टीम लेके स्टेडियम में शो कर रहे हैं. बट वो क्या मेरे से better या bigger artist हैं? I don't believe that. When I go on my stage and I can start my show from the heart as an artist, not the most popular song, not a film song, not something which will get immediately the crowd going. I realize कि मैं बिहार के ऐसे बिहार महोत्सव में हूँ, तो मैं भिखारी ठाकुर के अगर पोइट्री को गा के सुनाऊँ, उसमें जो मुश्किल है to customize it to the roots or to the land or to the people or the culture of that place, or to do Shiv Parvati and celebrate the idea of yin and yang and Shiv and Shakti and the balance in the universe, that takes a lot of courage. That is courage.
Yeah.
Not singing Kishore Kumar songs and every other song which is so popular, and your own songs which are so popular that whether you sing, because people, I've realized, are almost imagining when they're sitting in those concerts. One is your own craft there. The other is you're also leaning or riding on, say, a Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika Padukone and wearing a sexy bikini, and people are fantasizing, oh, Deepika is my, like beloved in my, let me in better words. So you are providing an experience which is a valid experience. I'm not saying it's not a valid experience. It's a beautiful experience too. When you seek that experience, feel free to go and enjoy that experience.
So what makes you feel so strongly towards this? That has anybody ever spoken to you about it? Like, that acha, these guys make so much music. What are you like so proud of? Or like, where does this feeling come from that, Has anybody ever made you feel like that you're smaller than anybody else?
Nobody can make me. See, it's all within you. You can't. People might try. I remember he stood up and talked about, B grade, C grade, A grade, B class, A class. And in my head, I'm thinking, ये कौन सा caste system आ गया म्यूजिक में कि यहाँ A B C की बात हो रही है. Because to me, तीजन बाई, भंवरी देवी, फोक म्यूजिशियन लाइक बंत सिंह, वो हमारे माई बाप हैं, मैंने उस्ताद हैं हमारे, उनके ब्लेसिंग से हमारा. सो टू मी कौशिकी चक्रवर्ती, टू मी people, there are some, our musical culture is so diverse, so this thing that it's heart-wrenching for us to think that the person who is able to charge these many crores is somehow, or is doing so many more dates. I mean, I don't think artistry can be classified. My band and my musicians are like my family. I don't have this thing that I am the singer, so I just feel awed, like overwhelmed. And there is a musician called Rajat Prasanna in my band. He plays the flute. वो रुला देता है. He is from a family of flautists. You may not have heard of his name. But every time, even in rehearsal, when he just takes up a solo, I sometimes end up crying. And I just tell him, I'm so thankful that you have chosen to play with.
Oh, lovely.
And I mean it.
Yeah.
You come to my studio, and every time I climb up here, the two energies that I meet, which bless us to enter this day of music or creation. One is Pandit Ji, our watchman. He's such a spirit, one can't describe. And Pandit Ji has a cat called Moni.
Oh.
Moni is the building cat. Moni is like the real diva. If she decides to look up and respond to that day we feel blessed. But sometimes she just decides I'm not interested.
Are you a pet person?
No, I mean, I'm traveling all the time, so I can't keep it. But I just feel Moni and Pandit Ji and the love they share. Like, she looks better if he goes off to his village in UP, and that 1 month, Moni looks like one scraggly Raste ka cat. When he's back, Moni is behaving like a queen. She sits on top of a car. She won't come down unless Pandit Ji calls her down. Like, they have a little thing going.
Yeah.
And everybody is in the service of Moni.
You believe in energy a lot.
A lot. I just feel energies are everything.
And sometimes you feel that because, people see you as somebody who speaks their mind out, is very strong-headed, then somewhere I feel that you are also a very emotional person. So do you think that is more like a shield sometimes so that you don't get hurt?
I had figured that the world is not a very kind place. But there are nicer people than not. Just that the nicer people tend to be quieter. But it's not to say that we don't have the most generous people. Our country is, I just feel when I was shooting my documentary, I revisited and almost re-met my country all over again. But then a distance ho jata hai, stop traveling by public transport, stop really going to the smaller places. But I started this journey of shooting a film about my musical influences, my roots, and what inspires me. And also it was like a fly in the wall documentary, a window into my life as a performing artist and how you're negotiating it. And also obviously your gender comes into play because it's a volatile playing field when it comes to gender as a performing or a artist of any kind. All that was good, but the biggest takeout for me from the shooting of Shut Up Sona was how generous my country is. And I say this straight up. The poorer people, the people with lesser, they are the nicest, they have the largest heart, they will share the food with you, they'll share their home with you. They have a sense of dignity, some principles, integrity, all these words which completely vanish mostly. Richer, more privileged.
You do think a lot, and you are somebody who also speaks along with while thinking. Sometimes overthink also.
Yes, very much so. I was just recently told by a friend who was in this. He says, Sona, you don't take up these podcasts and all which bring out this intense, serious side of you. We have to do something light and fun with you because, you're actually a fun person and you love partying and you seem to be... I don't love partying in a very different way. If I am in a crowd, मुझे मस्ती का बहुत मन है. So my band is like, मैम के साथ यहाँ जाएंगे तो बहुत मस्ती होगी. She's not going to just do the show and finish it off. I have the stamina after that to go and visit a new place, check out this. Morning में में दरगाह जाके आएंगे, वो सब कुछ करेंगे, सोएंगे नहीं हम लोग। तो हमारी मस्ती अलग टाइप की होती है। इट्स नॉट कि दारू पी के नाच रहे हैं, यू नो, बट आई हैव द स्टैमिना टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन, फॉर एडवेंचर, फॉर एक्सप्लोरेशन. He says there's such a fun side to you, and none of that seems to come out because you are always sitting in places and being interviewed about things where you are coming across as a very serious, intense person. You know, I said, yeah, I shouldn't. But then next day I woke up, I said, you know, I have to own who I am.
Totally.
And I cannot dim myself or come across as much lighter and fun. I'm lighter and fun in the right setting. If I'm being asked questions about certain things, I will speak what I actually feel, ना, just to come across as मैं बहुत हल्की फुल्की क्यूट सी हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा गिगल करूँगी तो आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा, लड़कों को तो ज़्यादा ही पसंद आएगा, because you know I come across as more approachable.
Do
and
that again.
attractive.
Do that again. That you
Do
just
what?
did.
What did I do?
मैं बहुत हल्की फुल्की हूँ. That was so cute. But you never thought about acting, did you?
You know, if there was one thing which I used to get baffled by when I, you know, during that phase of Bologna and all, where I have like इतना engineering किया, ये क्या, वो क्या, पढ़ाई किया, I was a topper. ये नहीं कि पापा मम्मी ने कहीं privately भेज दिया, आजकल तो सब लोग बन जाते हैं, you know, ये नहीं. तो हमने पूरा entrance घिसा के अपने आप को. उसके बाद second career, the dream was to become a live performer singer. I never thought playback singer was my dream. I knew what my dream was. And when the first album, which is why I focused on putting out my album instead of looking for a break in Bollywood, it was just being a voice in a larger project. What was it could appeal to someone, it was not my dream. And I always wanted to be the face in front of my audience. That's what I wanted, to face my audience when I sing for you, not to get somebody else to lip sync for me. That was my childhood this thing. कि ये मेरा सपना था. So when the first album released, I was like कार बेच के वो करके finally अपना album produce किया. And the offers that used to come in the first couple of years, I got couple of acting offers, you know. And all journalists would meet me and say, आपको actor नहीं बनना है, आप तो actor बन सकते actor. Because actor बनने का criteria क्या है? Fair skin, shiny hair. Is it your dream? Have you studied it? Are you obsessed with it? Is that your craft? Is that what you have honed? No, none of that matters. It's like here, आप जिम चले जाओ, थोड़ा पतले हो जाओ, थोड़ा डाइट कर लो और एक्टर बन जाओ. I'm like, वो तो मेरा सपना नहीं था. वो क्या एक solid, that is my favorite kid on the internet.
वो तो मेरा सपना.
That बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं है. That is like, it makes me laugh. It also feels it's a guiding force. Where that some kid who was won an Olympiad or something in Bihar, he's asked by the reporter saying कि आपका सपना क्या है? And he says, मैं भारत को नंबर 2 में लेके जाना चाहता हूँ. He says, बेटा नंबर 2 क्यों, नंबर 1 क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि वो मेरा सपना नहीं है. उसका सपना बहुत क्लियर है
कि
नंबर 2. And oh my God, sometimes, you know, some things is just like a chutkula or something that makes you laugh.
My God, I'm hearing the word chutkula after so long. Guys, chutkula means a joke, just, you know, FYI, for the people who may not know nowadays.
I have never understood. हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अगर इतने सारे लीड एक्टर्स को हिंदी ही नहीं आती है, you know, so-called lead तो thankfully we have some amazing actors now in the fray who are a lot of them are in my video Ajave. I feel so proud of that कि there's an ensemble cast of the best actors of the country there, जो genuinely actors हैं, जिनको हिंदी आती है, जिन्होंने जिंदगी जी है, और वो यहाँ बैंड्रा और अंधेरी के बीच में मंडराते हुए बड़े नहीं हो गए.
But कैसे मिले थे सब लोग उस टाइम पे? You know, they came.
They were students. No, they were students in FTI. And they were in the acting class. और दीप्ति गुप्ता जो है, she is a DOP, she's from FTI. And दीप्ति मुझे मिली थी एक सूफी कॉन्सर्ट में काला घोड़ा में. And मुझे उनका काम सिनेमेटोग्राफी बहुत पसंद था, you know, because she had a view and a lens of India. She used to capture India in a very beautiful, real way. तो मैंने दीप्ति को बोला, आई वांट टू मेक अ वीडियो विथ यू बट आई वांट यू टू डायरेक्ट. शी वाज लाइक, बट आई एम अ DOP. आई वाज लाइक, बट आई वांट यू टू डायरेक्ट, यू नो. And of course, you know, when you work with first time directors, you have to take a leap of faith. But I loved her aesthetics. You know, they also have a imagination which is not within the budget of an indie video because they think सब कुछ चलेगा, अभी पूरा फीचर फिल्म बना देंगे, 6 दिन का शूट करेंगे, which is not affordable. But then once you get into it. So I have burnt my hands also, but I've taken pride in always trying new directors in all my videos, you know. And in this case, Deepti was from FTI. She said हम लोग एक करते हैं, पूना में जाके ऑडिशन करेंगे और वहाँ पे रह के, तो हम दोनों गए थे, two of us. We went and auditioned the class. We picked up the people whom we fit in. मैंने लाइन प्रोडक्शन खुद किया था, पोहा भी मैं ही खिलाती थी, इसलिए हम पॉडकास्ट में जब 10 लोग देख रहे हैं ना, हमने तो वीडियो 5 लोगों के साथ किया, इतना बड़ा वीडियो, और वो भी हम खुद ही मेकअप कर रहे हैं, हेयर कर रहे हैं, पोहा खिला रहे हैं, और फिर स्टूडेंट्स बहुत खुश हैं, उनको ब्रेक मिल रहा है, तो खुद ही वहाँ कुछ फ्लाईओवर के नीचे वो जो सेकेंड हैंड कपड़े होते हैं ना, उठा के आर्ट डायरेक्शन भी कर रहे हैं, और हमने आजावे वैसे ही बनाया था, इनोवा के पीछे बैठ के, मिट्टी आ रहा है मुंह पे, फिर वो धो के फिर से कुछ पोत रहे हैं ताकि मुंह चमके. बट यू नो, देयर इज द मेकअप ऑफ यूथ इज द बेस्ट. You don't need much to look good.
Yeah.
And actually in general I feel ये सब conditioning है. अगर act of courage मुझे कोई पूछता ना, people are expecting some serious answer from me. I said my biggest act of courage in this industry has been to not conform to beauty standards.
So have you had anybody come to you and say ki Sona, you said this and this literally changed my life in a way?
I feel that's the greatest gift of this journey I've had. Within the city we live in, a lot of people will say you should have had an agency, your social media should be more trendy, or you should have had more followers, or perception is everything, so you could have done XYZ to, you know, and it follows, and then you wonder, oh, or you're doing very arty-farty things, कुछ तो commercial क्या करो, कपड़े भी वो पहना करो, सब लोग advice देने के लिए रहते हैं, and they're well meaning also, so I listen to it all. वो कमी नहीं है to make you feel inadequate for what you've already achieved. What you've done is never good enough. There's always some inadequacy that is shoved down your throat, and then you meet somebody who says, you know, I heard मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, and I decided that was the last day I was going to be thrashed by my husband. I just decided to walk out of a 20-year-old. I took my children, came back home, I've done XYZ, I've set up this thing. And you know, those are very dramatic statements, some simple things, you know, like a boy coming and telling me that when you talk about how being comfortable is important when you dress up. I told my sister, तो सोना मैम की तरह वो दिस मैम थिंग्स समटाइम्स बॉदर्स मी व्हाट टू डू. नॉर्थ इंडिया में मैम मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज आल्सो प्रोटेक्ट, दैट्स व्हाई वी ट्रैवल द मोस्ट, राइट. तो हमारी टीम हमें मैम बुलाती है ताकि दूसरे लोग भी मैम बोले, और एक डिस्टेंस रहे और एक तमीज़ रहे.
What or who makes you feel, you know, comfortable enough to be vulnerable in your life?
I am vulnerable all the time.
Like
मुझे
who gives
वैसे
you that comfort कि जिसके साथ रह के लगता है.
I know we'd like to think it's one person. I just feel it's, you know, I have the most special blessing in a partner like Ram to start with, who is one of the most kindest and most intelligent, and you know that balance between intelligence and kindness is very rare. To have that kind of a partner in your life is itself such a, you know, like a gift beyond. But having said that, I have always worn my vulnerability on my sleeves. People think you are so strong and so making a mistake is never a problem, even in terms of, you know, anybody who works with me or otherwise. I've always like, you are allowed to make mistakes. You're supposed to learn by making mistakes. But if you are prone to not self-reflecting, or if you are prone to repeating them over and over again, then there's a problem. That's in a professional setting. But in a personal setting, I've just felt the ability not to just acknowledge a mistake or say sorry and mean it. Like आजकल तो sorry ऐसे पॉपिंस की तरह बढ़ता है. उसका क्या meaning है when it's not meant or followed up with actual action. So the sorry is not what I'm talking about कि sorry बोल दो. But कभी कभी वो भी simple बात है between in relationships, that healing. We don't accord each other that healing of a simple sorry. कि I didn't know any better when I did this. You know, I was stupid, or I didn't know any better. Sometimes I realize कि when you acknowledge it, that उस आके सर पे बैठते हैं.
उनको लगता है गलती है.
इसको अभी मुझे एक हैंडल मिल गया दबाने के लिए. मैंने कहा भाई ये तो डेंजरस बात है. So I mean you have to, I guess it's a push and pull thing, but yet I will err or choose on the side of being.
The other day I was talking to Sohail Sen, and So somebody on the set was asking him, so do you remember meeting Mahek for the first time? Many years ago we had met. And I think he was a very new music composer that time. He'd done What's Your Rashi? And then he's like, yeah, I remember. And, you know, she was very unbiased. She spoke to all the team, this, that. And then, okay, so what is that one thing that stands out about her? So he said that she's very straightforward. That's her, you know, strength also and weakness as well. So whenever I make something new and I feel like sharing with her, I send her. And she gives me a very frank opinion of, Sohail, I don't like this work that you've done, though I am not an expert on that, but I'm the audience, right? I mean, I'm not a trained musician. I'm nobody.
You're not supposed to be trained to like or not like music.
But accepting a feedback on things is so important for an artist also. You do what you're doing, and then, you know, how the janta is responding. And you should be graceful about accepting it. What are your thoughts?
What I'm talking about is not even feedback, you know. Because sometimes I genuinely feel, you know, we are right now exposed to too much feedback.
Yeah.
ऑनलाइन कोई भी ऐरा गहरा खैरा ज्ञान देके बांट के चले जाता है आपको बकवास सुनना पड़ता है बिकॉज यू लाइक भाई तू किस खेत का मूली है आई डोंट हैव टू एक्ट मॉडेस्ट you know, to say कि we are all so equal, very equal. I'll treat you as an equal human being. You are like, and you have every right to like, dislike. आपको पसंद नहीं है, आप मत सुनो.
But you can't have a view on that.
You can have a view. You please share it in your drawing room. आप किसको अपनी बीवी को बताओ, गर्लफ्रेंड को बताओ, माँ को बताओ, बाप को बताओ, करो. But there's a manner in which manners have to be intact when you are in a public domain and you're giving, you know. लोगों को लगता है कुछ भी थोक के चले जाते हैं और उनका हक है बिकॉज डेमोक्रेसी है. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब ये है ही नहीं.
I think a lot of people are now doing it because of trending and viral हो जाए वीडियो ऐसा हो जाए. A lot of people are doing that.
I just feel
so I don't want to talk about that at all. I think it's
there is a no it's worth talking about because you know this running after I have seen people I've met who are otherwise very nice people, but this game of engagement, if the phone that ting is on, that means every time they're getting anybody to like or say something on their Instagram, वो आवाज आती है. I'm like, पागल नहीं हो जाओगे? You care so much. Their social media influencers slowly, I've seen their eyes change, you know, they're twitching. They sit with you and they're thinking कि ये बात करने के बाद एक रील बना देंगे, कुछ हो जाएगा, कोलैबोरेशन कर देंगे. एक बातचीत ही नहीं हो पाती उनके. ये so you meet people in literature festivals and their eyes are, and that eye twitching thing though is the best in the Hindi film industry. Do it for me. And you know, because and the biggest this thing here, my best friends are writers or lyricists or people who actually do the actors talk to only people who they can get something out of, most of them. उनको आपसे अगर कुछ मिल सकता है, वो हायरार्की में आप ऐसे जगह पे हो जहाँ पे आप उनको कुछ दिला सकते हो, फिर वो आपसे बात करेंगे या आपके पोस्ट को लाइक एंड दे एक्सपेक्ट दैट वो काम कर रहे हैं, उनको सब लोग ताली देते रहे. वो अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते हैं कि द वर्ल्ड इज अ रेसिप्रोकल वर्ल्ड. देयर आर एक्सेप्शंस ऑफ कोर्स. ये रेसिप्रोसिटी वो समझते नहीं है कि द आर्टिस्टिक वर्ल्ड इज नॉट हायरार्कियल वेयर यू आर फीलिंग मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीबडी एल्स एंड यू थिंक एवरीबडी इज हियर टू डू योर वावा. And in my eyes, they're the least important in the whole scheme of things.
So for you, how important is validation? Not from everybody. I know clearly that is not the case with you. But then people who matter to you, like maybe your family or your parents, when you did your Bolona for the first time, and what was the reaction? When you said you wanted to do it, what kind of support was there?
I shamelessly tell you
but
this.
Then were they encouraging?
Because I've never been used to being, I was always told I can't sing, I have a very different hoarse voice. I feel swum against the tide. इसमें कोई बहादुरी नहीं है. It's what you get used to. You get used to not being, you know,
and being comfortable
validated.
with who you are.
But वो सब, those are not defense mechanism, those are what you seek to, you know, navigate life.
But does it bring you joy when, you know, as a child you did something and your parents, you know, appreciated that? Or
everybody likes being appreciated. You know, I love being appreciated. I love getting love. I love walking into my band rehearsal and when Sanjay Das, my guitar player, is the only one. Sona ji, आज आपका वो कुर्ता बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's like very dramatic. And the other boys are too embarrassed to ever say. I mean, I'm there like. So I tell them, bhai, what is it with Indian men? Learn to compliment. It's a beautiful thing to be complimented. your skin is looking very nice today. I love it. Please go ahead and tell it to me, you know, because there's some niacinamide that I've put today.
I've used
Or was it vitamin C? कुछ तो लगा के आई हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
Acknowledgement and crown देना मुझे तो मेरी मजाक उड़ाए जाते हैं फैमिली में, स्पेशली राम बोलते हैं आज कितने क्राउन कलेक्ट किए आपने, आपको दूसरा चाहिए, हमें क्रेडिट
I
चाहिए.
love that about you, you know. And so a lot of people say that about me, like in my family and friends, they're like, you want to work in like a queen, you want queen treatment. I said, why not? Like, why not? I want to be treated like a queen, and there is nothing wrong.
I'm willing
because
to
I also
treat
work
others like a queen also. ऐसा
And
नहीं है.
I'm like, but I also work like a horse. I also do my hard work. So why not also be treated like a queen? There is nothing wrong in it, absolutely. And you have gone over and beyond. You've created bigger properties than just music. You have created bigger productions.
Yeah.
And, you know, I have done it at a very small level as, you know, an events person where I became a promoter. And sometimes I feel I had no choice because I was in a country where there weren't many avenues for me to, you know, put my network together, my strength together. I'm like, अब मैं क्या करूँ, मैं वापस इंडिया नहीं जाना चाहती अभी, I want to stay back in Singapore. So I became a promoter. I learned the art. I put whatever network I had together, you know, worked hard for it. You have also done things which not, you know, people would not really think कि, you know, तो singer है.
No, for the last, and that is the thing. एक तो singer है और एक तो औरत है. तो I can be a pretty ornament at best or mouth somebody else's songs. In the last 2 years, I have created 3 productions from scratch. One is Sona Tarasha, which I debuted at the NMACC Grand Theatre. I was the first musician, Indian musician, to perform in the Grand Theatre. And the whole production for 2 hours, 5 chapters, dance, music. It was like a music theatre format, and it's the India experience, that's what I call it. So there are 5 chapters in it, and it was such a deeply detailed storytelling from the multimedia perspective, from the music that I curated, because I started with a Ganga Jamna Tehzeeb. The chapter was called The Burning Love. From Sufiana Kalam, Bulle Shah, Amir Khusro, to Shiv Parvati, Krishna Radha. So eternal love legends, Heer Ranjha. So the love legends of India across centuries is what I presented from a musical perspective. Then I did Kalankini, which is the courtesans to the saints. So from Meera to the Kotha music, you know, the full. So then I did roots and folk and across borders. So music from the subcontinent, Pakistan, and, you know, things which have cut our borders. And we are like one subcontinent when it comes to musical culture. And then I also, of course, did and all of this is not some eclectic music. I was playing hit music, which got everybody singing, dancing. But I had done it conceptually. So that is something I launched in the heart of the monsoon, selling out expensive tickets and having a house full, you know.
So it was all your production.
Yeah,
you did
and
everything.
this is somebody else. I was a director, I was a producer, and I was a performer. And I took great pride in putting together the whole thing. And I take a lot of pride beyond just, you know, being singing hit songs. Because the idea of every field, you can take it to that next level if you're putting in those little layers. So which is why I take great pride in saying, can somebody tell me that just because you can charge more because you sung a lot of Hindi hit film songs, that you're a bigger artist than me? I'm not calling you smaller either. I'm just saying you are where you are, I'm where I am. Then I put a show called the Lal Pari Mastani show, which I'm very, very proud of because it was so complex in its art direction. Because I also have sets. The floor has to be black and white diamonds. There are chandeliers, there are jhalars. So we create a mahal. And it's the 7 stages of love.
Wow.
As per Persian literature, you have, you know, from the Pehli Nazar to Maut. But you have Diwangi, Ibadat, like the 7 stages. But every stage has music and songs which describe that feeling or stage that you are in. So there's shairi, there's storytelling, and there was a lot of learning to do because I don't do shairi on stage. So I didn't want to just do some thukpatti ki 4 lines seekh liye. For 4 months I spent in really digging deep and finding shairi from a female perspective is even tougher. But then I found an ally, a gentleman called Vicky, who so believed in it. He didn't tell me it becomes something else. Your name is too, Lal Pari Mastani is too esoteric. He says, you are one of the most powerful live performers I've seen. How I'll sell it commercially seems daunting because it's an expensive show, 25 people traveling. People think I'll give them an indie experience, but this is a commercial show. But it has a concept. But then finding an ally that's the point I want to make, is also very critical. Because at the end of it, you are wearing this armor, but the fingerprints are of many people who help you get there. You don't do it all alone. You can't take credit for it. So if it wasn't for Vicky, who was able to find me those 10 places to present the Lalpari Mastani show, it would just be a concept sitting at home. I can do all the hard work in the world, but it won't get out there. And I've found some of the most amazing allies when it comes to men. And it's not necessarily that women have been the kindest when it comes to in the workspace. So it's it's a very contradictory world. You think you've stood all your life for womankind, and stuck your neck out, you've been axed from a reality show because you spoke up when nobody was speaking
But you
up.
are also not a stereotype for women. So you may not, they might be intimidated, even men are intimidated by you, I'm very sure, all the time.
Yeah, but it's heartbreaking when you feel like I was in Melbourne, a press conference में थी तो, and there were the press had come, there were other people from the industry, the Melbourne Film Festival. And there were a lot of people from the industry, and they were asking questions. But the occasion was on the eve of 15th August. So when people asked me, please Ambar Sariya गाइए, one of the standard, I said, नहीं, आज का 15th August है, I will sing a song for India. And I don't think there's anything cool about it, uncool about it, because you're made to feel कि for me, India is, the love I feel for India is real. She makes me tear up. Her people make me feel emotional, like it's a human being. I really have a love. And even in school, I would be that joker who never missed a Republic Day or an Independence Day. Even if 10 people showed up, मैं तो लड्डू खाने और फ्लैग होस्टिंग करने और कुछ स्पीच सीख के जाऊंगी. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक पता नहीं कौन अटेंडेंस देख रहा है कि जब पूरा 12 इयर्स का स्कूल देखेंगे कि सोना महापात्रा ने कभी किसी बात से चीटिंग नहीं की. शी नेवर टुक एब्सेंट फ्रॉम समथिंग बिकॉज इट वाज that much of effort. Like I had that thing कि कोई हिसाब रख रहा है.
That is the that is
नहीं रख रहा है. I know.
रख रहा है. And that is integrity, not doing the right thing when no one is watching, and not many people understand that. So
but I have to complete the fact that I have to tell you this, Mehak. The third show I launched just a couple of months ago is called Sonami.
Sonami.
TSONA. Sona है उसमें. And I thought, let me just, instead of being told ना कि थोड़ी सहमी हुए हो जाओ, and people are thinking Lal Pari is also, the nazakat and mehfil, but I am doing a very different kind of a mehfil. It's fully fire. I'll make you dance. So the Lal Pari also has that, but that is that mehfil thing. When I said my real energy is fire, and it's possible. Some people who are trying to sign me up for as management are giving me, gyan about, you need to be much more chill. And your music has to be much more Gen Z and light, and this energy of yours. I'm like, what? I'll find 20 people, even in this younger generation, who will connect to my energy.
मतलब आप music भी आप उनकी choice का बनाए जो उन्हें पसंद आए.
नहीं, वो you are asking an artist to second guess.
बताओ
कि आप अपने अस्तित्व को छोड़ के ऐसे कुछ बन जाओ ताकि you are more palatable. I'm not here to be palatable. I'm here to be heard. And so this Sonami thing is my latest baby. And so there I feel I'm celebrating not only the soul of India, but here it's like global soundscape, and it is like a very punchy, dancey, high energy, crazy, and I want to showcase other artists. It's not just about me. I have a girl called, she calls herself DMC. She's a great rapper because she actually writes, actually performs live, unlike a lot of the lip sync that we see in the mainstream as rapping, जो कुछ माइक को, जब आपको ये देखना चाहिए, माइक को ही ऐसे लगता है उसको पता है वो एक्चुअली कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, वो छुप रहा है उसके पीछे, इतना परफेक्ट सीडी चल रहा है और यहाँ पे मुंह कवर किया है. सो दीज थिंग्स एट द सेम टाइम I genuinely feel everybody is doing a certain thing which I can really celebrate.
I want to get some maybe an event in your life where that got you thinking, reflecting, you took some time off. Any inner journey that you experienced, you took time off. I'm sure, a person like you would be doing anyway a lot of it, being an overthinker, but otherwise you took like dedicated time off to look at the things happening in your life, and that helped you and changed your perspective a little in something.
I think I'm hoping that my perspective keeps getting enriched every day in the smallest ways. You don't have to take time off for that, let me tell you. You can be in the moment doing things every day and evolving, hopefully evolving for the better. But there have been many these things, you know. Like I, for some reason, would always end up every 3 years, मेरा पैर टूटता था. I've had 9 fractures in this leg.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow.
I ride horses. I still went back on the horse. I've cracked my tailbone. I've cracked my leg 9 times, my feet, my ankle. And those times you're forced to like slow down a bit when you can't help it. And I started having these fractures from when I was in my MBA. And then slowly, you know, you have to hop and go to even make your cup of tea. And you're spilling tea. You know, you take care of yourself. I have never had koi hamare saath aaya, chotu bhaiya to take care of us. We are always either in a hostel or somewhere doing all your own work. Even taking a bath would take hours.
Yeah.
What you take for granted. I'd find 6 ways to crawl up a flight of stairs because we didn't have a lift and I didn't want to miss a single day of college. I didn't take off and come home and work from home because I had a broken leg. I learned how to go up first I used to go an hour earlier and वो सीढ़ी चढ़ने के लिए वो crutches use करो और वो बहुत दर्द करते हैं. It hits your underarm. So then I found a way of crawling. But then ये फट जाते थे. जितना भी आप कुछ करो वो घिस जाता है. You know, when you're climbing some 3-4 flights of stairs, because college is 4 flights of stairs, no lift. Home was 2 flights of stairs, no lift. And I was to come and go, and we didn't have so much money saying that something will, you know, somebody will pick you up, drop you. You have to find your way if you're staying back. Then I found a way of sitting on the stairs and, you know, literally using, like I was like, and I used to tell myself, अच्छे
Muscles
भी बन जाएंगे, shape भी अच्छा आ जाएगा. ये अच्छा, वैसे जिम में करती नहीं हूँ, कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. तो I found this way of sitting and taking my weight up. So I had 6 different ways of climbing stairs. You know, and I felt excited innovating with this challenge. But it slows you down hugely. You can't do these things in the tuturi way that you're used to. It teaches you hell of a lot. Or, you know, like some 7-8 years ago, I found a tumor. I went in for a surgery. At that time, I was just realizing that I'm really getting shut off in this industry and there's no way in. I'm always going to be an outsider. No way in. जितना भी सर पीटो अंदर घुसने सब कुछ अकेले करने में बहुत exhausting लग रहा है, you know, कि क्या करें. And more than anything else, driving, my driving was not भी ज़्यादा famous हो जाओगे या ज़्यादा लोगों को या 10 गाड़ी खरीदोगे. I take great pride in the fact that I can afford to have 2-3 cars, 4 cars, but when Ram insists that he wants to drive an I-10, because it's the easiest thing. He says, look at the city, look at the road, look at the squalor here. And क्या ये Merc और इसमें BM में बैठ के, you know, we should have a little auto rickshaw in which we should travel. That's his worldview. I don't mind landing up even in an event in his small car because I sit in a bigger car and sometimes, so there are no rules. But coming down to this tumor thing, at that point I was feeling very shut off. I was like, you know, the driving force is what? You want to sing, you want to be on stage, you want to meet your audience more often. That avenue shuts down when you don't get releases. So that you have to keep hustling or finding a way to do what you love most, which is perform in front of a live audience. So
did it make you scare a bit? Was it like
I was like, this is shutting down. अभी एक तो ट्यूमर आ गया, अभी इंडस्ट्री में कुछ नहीं हो रहा, क्या करूँ? When I get back, what will I do? When I get back, if I get back, what will I do? That's when it struck me. कुछ नहीं, मुझे गाने को नहीं दे रहा है ना. I'll make a film called Shut Up Sona. It was, I'll shoot my own film. What will it take? I'll find a camera, I'll find friends, and people thought ये कुछ home project कर रही है. We won a national award, we won all the international awards, and I'm not talking about Indian festivals abroad. We won the international. We went to TIFF, we went to the New York Festival, we went to the, you know, London Film Festival, we won the Amsterdam, Gothenburg, so Rotterdam, you know, and somewhere I was like, the best news I can share with the world, if anybody's listening in, is honestly it's a wonderful world when you it lets you do what you want to do when you really want to do it.
Yeah, when you start working,
things happen.
Shows.
Yeah, because तब पैसे नहीं थे, पैसे थे, but to fund your own film is not easy. First time director, same Deepthi Gupta who did Ajave. but no idea of budgeting. So आपने budget इतना रखा है, but इतना हो चुका है और आपके savings खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, आपको अकल नहीं है कि you should start funding, somebody should have funded you. खुद ही अपने पैसे डाल के फिर अभी release कैसे होगा,
But then
recovery
you
कैसे,
wanted to keep your creative
completely
independence.
So lot of things, you know,
Yeah.
and as a result, you make your own journey. I put out that film. I must have been among and managed to get an OTT release for it also. May not have got so much of a promotion, but I know I did it my way. You know, I literally did it my way.
So when I was planning this one, a lot of people told me, why are you doing it? It is such a short time. I'm like, you know, I've been waiting for this to happen for a while. It's not happening. I have to make it happen. So how you turn your pain into your strength, as you know, I can clearly feel by talking to you here. And that's a very, very rare quality. Not many people have it. So I think that is something that I'm going to take away from today, how to turn your pain into your strength. That is how Sona does it.
There's a whole genre of music which is melancholia. In fact, the Turkish culture has a word for it. My favorite author, in fact, let me say, is somebody called Orhan Pamuk. He's based in Istanbul. And he talks about what he loves most about, I don't know, he talks about there's a word called, which is, it can't be exactly translated. The concept called huzun, which is melancholia, and which is sadness. But there's such a beauty in that sadness and melancholia. So there's also a lot of joy. I mean, sometimes when I sing Bhairavi or sing rags which are melancholic, I like melancholia a lot. I don't necessarily even experience it as pain or sadness or anything low. It's actually very uplifting. When you talk about pain to strength, I just feel that's not the kind of pain people think, you know.
Not the sorrow, but
No,
then
there
you
is
know,
no sorrow or tragedy in
Yeah.
my pain for sure. There
Yeah.
is a lot of energy even in that pain.
Yeah.
And also there's some lot of genuine joy and happiness in the life that I lead.
Yeah.
Because every day I wake up and I'm aaj ka din, like, you know, I cannot even tell you this in the right way or have the words to tell you. Before I sleep every day, I'm thinking morning kaise hoga? I'm so excited about the
Yeah.
next morning because I'm
Yeah.
thinking morning kaise hoga? Kal kya karenge? Like
Yeah.
morning I wake up like a 3-year-old.
Yeah.
I'm like, just the act of making my own adrak wali chai, I like only my chai. I might have as many people in the world.
that's
मुझे
it.
अपनी चाय, वो संगीता के आने से पहले मैं अपनी चाय बना दूं, नहीं तो वो ले लेगी, नहीं मैं बनाती हूँ, मैं
ये
बनाती हूँ.
चाय का किस्सा तो आई एग्री, मतलब जो
तो मेरा जो
Yeah.
चाय बनता है, but not, it's not just the chai,
Yeah.
it's the ritual.
Yeah.
I love rituals.
yeah.
I love and I can be alone forever and ever. And I have a partner who loves being alone too. And so when we meet, it's like hum milte hain, we have great fun. But otherwise, I did this 2 months alone of traveling 7 countries. I put boundary conditions saying ki, I will not, you take a taxi, I will not, I have the money, I can do XYZ. But there was a time 20 years ago when I came out and I said, जब पैसे नहीं होते थे, मुझे travel करना है, और तब गिन के एक रुपए देख के I have traveled.
पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से ट्रैवल
हाँ,
करते
बट
थे.
दिस टाइम आई वाज लाइक, ओह आपके बड़े पैसे हो गए हैं, अभी तो शॉपिंग कर कितना भारी, तो उठाओ, क्योंकि आपको टैक्सी नहीं मिलेगा. आई पुट बाउंड्री कंडीशंस. आई वुड ओनली टेक अ बस, आई वुड ओनली टेक अ ट्रेन. ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज नॉट स्ट्रगलिंग इन झुमरी तलैया, लेट मी नॉट गिव माई सेल्फ टू मच क्राउन्स. क्रोएशिया इज नॉट सो मच स्ट्रगल, सुंदर है, क्लीन है, बट फिर भी अपने बैग्स उठाओ और हर जगह गलती जगह आई वुड गेट ऑफ इन अ रॉन्ग स्टेशन. सो आई हैड पुट अ फिक्स्ड बजट कि 7 कंट्रीज, नो एक्सेस मनी एंड नो टेलिंग पैसे भेजो, जितने लेके आए उतने में करेंगे.
You managed?
I managed. And how?
Well done.
how?
I'm so proud of you.
And you know, when you are alone, and sometimes solo travel is also overrated. यहाँ पे ना
मुझे तो बिल्कुल-
Instagram के Insta solo travel.
बस मैं तो यही बात कर रही थी
नहीं.
किसी से उस दिन. I'm like
Some days are too lonely.
मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं
too
करना solo
exhausting.
travel.
नहीं, मुझे करना है. I'll tell you why. Because that loneliness and that exhaustion in India,
Yeah.
especially, we're not used to loneliness.
Yeah.
We always have people giving कुछ ना कुछ. We forget to use our own limbs. We forget to use our own brains. Or engage with others, or have conversations which feed you as an artist. वही लोगों से मिलोगे, वही बातें सुनोगे, वही करोगे, आप नया क्या बनाओगे?
Absolutely.
What new thing are you going to create? So for me, just going into a church, listening to different kind of music or some underground this thing, or having a conversation with some student and saying, will you join us? We're going bicycling. Because there's no concept of age there.
Yeah.
So in Berlin, going cycling with some 20 students and swimming in the lake in the middle of, nowhere, and doing bizarre things like that, which I did. I just feel at that point of time, it's not also feeling. We are also used to कि change तो अच्छे changing room
Yeah.
नहीं, पेड़ के पीछे change करना आदत नहीं रहा. वहाँ पे भी insects होते हैं. वहाँ ये नहीं कि abroad है तो वहाँ पे कोई आके चुपता नहीं है. Sitting in the grass is, but putting yourself through a little bit of that inconvenience. You know.
You like to start things up for yourself so that,
Yeah,
the
stirring
one
things up
another-
is very important.
Yes, yes. Something where I want you to say something to the global audience.
I don't think I have any message to give, but I just feel all cultural identities are so unique and special. Losing it to a generic sameness, where you even suddenly see Korean dramas where their national costume is worn only during a wedding. That too, only the older people, two of them, the in-laws will wear it. That's what I've noticed. It's a beautiful costume. I feel proud that I come from a culture where when you go down to Dadar or go where anywhere else, अभी भी आपको साड़ी सलवार कमीज कहीं पे जाओ, you wear your own clothes also naturally. It's not become a costume as yet. But there are circles in which I feel सिर्फ दिवाली के टाइम में वो अपना outfit निकलता है. Something as basic as this, I feel celebrating your own roots and identity every day, and not this. I think it's overrated to merge in. I just love the fact that at the same time oppressing women, और अगर मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसे औरतों को मुंह कवर करके जाना था, ये अपना आइडेंटिटी नहीं, feel free. Please be free. Let women be easier. Don't judge anybody for what they are wearing. Even if I wear a chaddi or whatever, it's your life. I feel the sameness in the world. I find a beauty in differences.
Nice.
And I feel celebrating those differences as an artist is what makes our world so exciting and interesting.
Absolutely.
So the sameness in the world is what I would request for no one to go after. Don't be under any pressure to fit in. I hope you have many more fulfilling conversations, and more than anything, I hope it evokes conversations, makes people think, reflect, and I hope we don't count on some quick chatpata thing to, all the time be tantalized. Sometimes taking it slow and listening in. I think that's the joy of a podcast, where even the rambling should go on.
I'm so glad that I had a chance to have you on the show today, and really overwhelmed right now. So, yeah, sometimes, though I have been earning my bread and butter through talking for so many years, but sometimes, when you are in that emotional moment that I am right now, thanks to you,